I like the most about being an athletic trainer is the relationships with the athletes, being able to, of course, nurse them to health, but also build that friendship with them to the point where they feel comfortable enough to come to me, whether it's an injury or not. The mindset that I'm trying to get instilled into them is resilience. I believe that coming into the training room, number one, they're already down about the injury. I think the biggest thing with injuries in general is the psychological aspect where, of course, they want to be out there with their team. They want to be out there with their friends. But being resilient through this injury will cause them to be resilient on the field as well.
Everybody identifies when you're an athlete as you're an athlete, like you're a soccer player, like that's your identity. But when an athlete gets injured, that identity is stripped from them because they can't do what they associate them being. And so then I'm there to help them realize, like, hey, like you're not just a baseball player or you're not just a soccer player, like there's more to you. And so helping them realize that too on that deeper level, I think really helps them, one, get through the injury process, but two, just grow.
They always say, Trey, you come in with so much energy, like where do you get all this energy from? And I think that impacts them in such a way that it's like, I actually want to get better.
It's fun getting to help kids get back to something they love, but also just getting to know them outside of being an athlete. Because I am their athletic trainer, but I know a lot of them look at me in other ways, like as a friend. I actually have some athletes that joke and call me mom because I always have everything they need, or I'm always there for them to talk to me.
Piedmont had such a big impact on me while I was there as far as the family concept goes, that I insisted that I have to bring that concept to athletic training where my first job would be. And I think that is definitely one of the number one things that I've tried to instill here as an athletic trainer, because like I say, truth be told, the students, even though they're coming in for injuries, they need that attention. Some of them need that family feel. Some of them don't have the figures in their life to give them that. So me being as little of a part of their lives as I can, if I can give them just that feel to feel like they are loved, that they have the attention, they have my undivided attention for whatever the period of time they have to be with me, I feel like my job has been done. So I'm grateful for Piedmont University for instilling in me the man of intentionality that I am today.
Makes me feel pretty good because I was in their shoes. Athletic training keeps me close to sports, so it keeps me close to something that I love. So knowing that I'm giving them that help, knowing that I'm helping them further their dreams or do something that they've dreamed of doing since they were little, makes me feel good, makes me happy.